So back again, just a quick 10 minutes. I get asked lots about lower back pain, non-specific lower back pain. I've just got backache. I don't know what to do about it. What can I do? So we've got less than 10 minutes and I'm just going to go through a few stretches that can really help get some mobility. Movement is medicine, as a very good Pilates instructor I know and physiotherapist called Angus Fraser says. So really important. So let's go and have a look at what we can do to get some mobility. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start with just some movement through the pelvis. So what we want to do is to make sure that we're getting real mobility through the sacrum and the lumbar. Sacrum fused, lumbar has a little bit of movement. So to do that, put one hand on your tummy, one hand on your bottom. Lean forward and let your tummy hang into your hand. Now pull your tummy muscles towards your spine, so you've got engagement with these strong muscles. Now imagine you've got a tail. Tuck your tail between your bum cheeks. Tuck and roll through the back of the pelvis to a nice tall position. Okay, so let's go again. Let our tummy hang forward in our hands. Engage those strong core muscles back towards the spine. Tuck your tailbone between your bum cheeks, nice and tall. Pelvic curls, so important. Let's go again. Hang, engage, tuck and roll nice and tall at the top. Last one. Hang, engage, tuck the tail and roll. While you're waiting for the toast to pop up in the morning, you can do these. Nobody will watch them, you'll be fine. Okay, so we've got a little bit of movement in the pelvis. Now we're going to get a little bit more mobility through the spine. So we're nice and tall, weight bearing in both feet, our core is engaged. Take a breath in. As you breathe out, you're nodding your chin to your chest. Scoop up these strong abdominal muscles, keeping them long, and just hang wherever you get to in a forward bend. Shoulders relaxed, head relaxed, core strong and long. Breath in and out. Roll it back up, shoulders down, restack the spine. Breath in here, breath out, chin to chest, roll it down. Wherever you get to, knees slightly bent and active. Engage, roll it back up, nice and tall at the top. We'll do two more. Breath in and out, chin to chest, roll it down. You might get a little bit further, but keep that strength in the core. Breath in and out, restack, roll. Nice and tall, shoulders relaxed. Breath in and out, chin to chest, roll it down. Hang, engage, breath in and out, nice and tall at the top. And that's already mobilising our spine. So right from the lower spine, right up to the cervical spine and the back of the neck, really great to get that mobility. Okay, so we're going to take ourselves down with that roll onto all fours. Breath in and out, chin to chest, core strong, peel yourself forward, bending the knees, bring yourself down. If you need a support of a chair, have a chair nearby just to help yourself get down. Onto all fours. One of the most popular stretches that people are taught, especially if you're seeing a physio, they'll often talk about a cat stretch. Sometimes it's strong on the hands, bend up the fists, or if you need some support, roll up your mat or use a couple of cushions or pillows. So you want a nice straight line, shoulders to wrist, hips over the knees, flatten the back, tray of drinks resting on my back, imagine that position. Breath in and out, chin to chest, push your back up like a cat and tuck your tail under. Hold it and don't forget to breathe. And back to a flat back, lengthen away. Breath in and out, chin to chest, push up, tuck the tail under, really stretch, right from the wrists up to the back of the shoulder blades, while I'm also mobilising through my spine, right down to my tailbone. Flatten the back. Okay, so from here, I'm going to do some mobility through the spine. So I'm going to lift my right hand just off the mat. Hover. Take it under my elbow and armpit, follow it with my head. I might just get to here, but if I can, I'm going all the way around. So opening right through my spine, coming back to the centre, reset if I need to. Hover, engage the core right through here to start. Breathing in and out, down and rotate as low as you can go, looking back to the centre. Flatten the back, let's go on the other side. Hover the hand, core strong. Down, reach and rotate. Really reach the arm and look where it goes. Back to the centre. Reset, flatten the back. Hover, down and rotate and reach. Really opening up through my back. Back to the centre. Push your bottom back, rest your head on your hands. If you can get your bottom towards your heels, great, but even if you can't, it doesn't matter. Just keep your bottom
bottom in the air and just sway your bottom from side to side. Such a lovely stretch to open up through this tight lower lumbar area. Doesn't matter, nobody's watching. Without movement, you will not be able to go anywhere in life. So the more you move, the better it is for the body. Use it or lose it, as we like to say in the world of Pilates. Brilliant. Okay, so we've stretched it out here. So the next place we're going to go is down onto the mat. But we're going to get some work into the core before we do a little bit more work on the pelvis and the lower back. So let's bring ourselves nice and tall. Lengthen up the spine, tall from the top of the head. Without a strong core, we're not going to have a healthy spine. So it's really important to build strength in the core. So you can do this while you're sitting, waiting for the dishwasher to finish. It's a nice sunny day and the sun's shining, you're sat in the conservatory. Just sit on the floor and do a few of these. Lengthen up, nice and tall. Hold on to the thighs if you need. If you're feeling strong, take the hands away. Breath in. As you breathe out, chin to chest. Tummy button to spine, and just roll the back of the pelvis down into the mat. That might be enough. Stop, breath in and out. Pull yourself back up with these strong abdominals, nice and tall. It's all in the core, not in the thighs. Breath in here, breath out, chin to chest, rolling through the back of the spine, easing yourself down, chin to chest. Keep this scooped feeling in the tummy where the muscles are strong and long. Hold it, breath in and out. Pull yourself back up to the top. This time we're going to go right down onto the mat. So breath in here, breath out, chin to chest, scoop the abdominals round through the lower spine. And when you need some help, because it feels like it's more in the thighs than the tummy, put the hands down, keep the chin on the chest and use the hands to guide you as you roll the back of the pelvis down into the mat. Ease yourself down. Roll, roll, roll. When you get down, onto your back, into this position where your feet are under your knees and your feet and your knees are hip distance apart. So we want to feel this position where we've got a neutral spine, and neutral means not a flat back into the mat, not such a big arch my hands will reach and meet underneath, but I need to be able to have a little gap, so my hands will go in at the sides, but I can't get my hands any closer together than just a little slide under the sides. Hands on the hip bones, shoulders relax, take a breath in. As you breathe out, push the tummy button towards the spine so you're flattening the back of the pelvis into the mat. Breathe in here, and as you breathe out, try to lift your tailbone away from the floor, engaging these lower abdominal muscles. Peel up as high as you can. You might just get to here. If you can get higher, do. Keep the chin towards the chest and lengthen the spine. Hips are nice and square and stable. The abdominal muscles are engaged. You've got strong lower core muscles. Your glutes in your bottom are working hard, plus your legs are taking a bit of work. Breath in here. Roll down as slowly as you can. So if you imagine your spine is like a string of pearls, and you're trying to put each pearl down on the mat one at a time. Peel it back down. Do as many of these as is comfortable for you. Another great one to strengthen the core and work the spine. Breath in here and breath out. Roll through the back of the pelvis. We're going to go up and do one more up here. It's the last one we're going to do. Hold it here. Now I want to get some movement through the lower back. So I'm going to drop my right hip down towards the mat, just leaning slightly, but my feet aren't moving anywhere. Tummy button engaged. Bring the hip back up to the top square, and the same on the other side. So if you imagine your hips are a bit like a boat rolling on the ocean waves, you're going down and roll and back to the other side. Up and roll and down. So you're rolling your hips over the crest of the wave to open up through the lower back. Try not to let the legs go too wobbly. It's strong in the back of the thighs, in the hamstrings, so you might not get many. One or two is fine. Go down and rest. Breath in here and a breath out. Peel yourself back down. Roll into the mat. And when you get down, hug your knees into your chest. Squeeze your knees. Catch your breath. And then if you can, you'll bring yourself up to sitting nice and tall at the top. And that is just 10 minutes of a few different stretches that you can do. Lower back pain is so debilitating. If you can move it, you will not lose it.
Been lovely to see you. Come back again. I'll be back tomorrow, 10 o'clock in the morning. Tomorrow is Friday. I'll be here doing some more stretches, but you can have a look on my Facebook pages and my YouTube channel. Thanks for joining. It's lovely to see you.